Hello everybody, welcome to our 12th episode of Jeunesse Longevity TV.
Jeunesse, we are redefining youth.
AM and PM, two products formulated by Dr. Vincent Giampapa. Dr. Vincent Giampapa is a plastic surgeon as well as an assistant clinical professor at the University of Medicine of New Jersey. He's also a founding member of the American Academy of Anti-Aging Medicine. He has been nominated for the Nobel Prize in Medicine in 2014. So, what is unique in AM/PM? The major target of AM/PM is to help the genes we have inherited work to their optimal performance. And by the way, the ingredient included in these two formulas are capable of actually reversing the master clock of aging by turning off aging genes and turning on our useful genes. So first, why AM and PM and PM? The reason behind has to do with the regulation of the autonomic nervous system. You know, the system responsible for our biological clock. Our bioclock regulates the release of key hormones throughout the day and throughout the night, keeping a balance between energy spending and rest. This bioclock also keeps us alert in the morning as well as relaxed and ready for sleep in the evening. AM formula provides the fuel to power daytime energy, mental activity, and regulates the sympathetic nervous system, which is the one in charge of action and energy. PM formula prepare for restful night's sleep that allows the body repair and regulate the parasympathetic system, which is the one in charge of rest and repair. Now, why more than 70 ingredients in each formula? Well, AM/PM have direct effects on gene expression by positively influence the three steps which are involved when the body needs a specific proteins. The first step is to decide which gene to select and to turn on the switch in order to activate the gene. This is done by a process called methylation. The second step is to process the order of manufacturing such protein, and this is done by a series of enzymes which regulates how the signal go out of the DNA, then out from the nucleus to go inside the plasma, where is the manufacturing facility. This requires a complex of vitamins and minerals acting as cofactors. And then the third step is to manufacture the protein and to send it at the target point to do the job. And this requires communication and signaling molecules. On top of those 3 steps, each cell needs nutrients and supplement to repair and regulate cell function by acting on DNA repair, telomere shortening, and damages on stem cells. This is why AMPM contains more than 70 ingredients divided in several categories: vitamins, mineral, telomere maintenance complex, calorie restriction, mimetic and gene expression, antioxidant complex, DNA repair, stem cells maintenance complex, cells regulation complex, probiotics, and digestive enzyme. What are the benefits of the AMPM program? For the first 1 to 3 weeks, your body goes to a stage called nutritional loading. This is the time where essential vitamins, mineral cofactors, and other nutraceuticals ingredients included in AMPM that you have been lacking saturate both the cells and the fluid surrounding the cells. During that time, a remarkable improvement is made in the metabolic function